So our family decided to take a nice hike during the weekend. With 2 kids, sometimes it can be boring for them, so we definitely had to make sure it was scenic and fun. And along the way, we were able to find tons of wild edible plants. You know, before people settled down and became farmers, they were foraging their food. Wild food foraged from surroundings as close as your backyard is one of the most local things you will find because it's wild, it's grown with no maintenance, along with no planting, fertilizing, or spraying of pesticide. It's basically flourished in its own natural environment, making it nutrient-dense, full of vitamins. This is pure food and how people ate back then. Sure, you might be able to grow things in your own backyard, but you will find a wider variety by hiking in the forest, mountains, or near a river. Why not reconnect with nature and learn about your environment, such as our ecosystem, habitat, and weather? Get to know your area and find out how easy it is to locate and identify wild edibles and medicinal plants. Got some nettle here.
Why? I'm asking you.
Because it has a special point. If you touch this nettle, okay, it goes sting. Okay, it's like a bee sting. Oh, dandelions are everywhere, but here in the forest it's the best.
Dandelion right here. While they're young.
I found baby dandelion, Zima.
Found some mustard garlic.
I want to taste it.
There's some clover. And make a nice raspberry tea. Don't know if you can see it with sunlight. Some burdock roots. Before picking, get to know your plants by researching. Never eat anything you are not 100% sure with its identification. Gather information with books, but don't solely rely on them. When starting off, consider going on plant walks with a group, find an herbalist that conducts nature walks, or find a mentor that can help you with your journey about plants. Some friendly reminders is to leave the roots and leaves if you only need the flowers. Harvest only what you need, which usually isn't more than 25% of a plant. This helps protect the ecosystem. So that's about it. Get outside your comfort zone and learn how to prepare wild teas, salads, and berry jams. Remember to always do your research, have fun, and be safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as this really supports this channel by helping YouTube recommend the videos. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.